Information Technology, subject code is 402. So we are taking the sample question paper 2020-2021. See, the pattern may change, but the content and the question will not change. The answer will not change. So let's have a sample question paper and then try to solve and answer the questions. Section A is objective type questions. With respect to sample question paper, 6 questions, you have to solve 4 out of these, 1 marks each. Karan lives at hostel in Shimla. He calls his mother, who lives in Delhi, to get her approval for the robotic class, which is going to start in his school next week onwards. So there is a robotic class and he wants approval of his mother. However, due to this disruption in the phone line, his mother could not understand and reply to him. There is a disruption, so they are not able to hear each other. He got very upset. Which another medium can he use to get immediate approval of his mother? The best way is to get it written in a written way through a letter. So the best way to get letter at an instant is email. Electronic mail. Previously, if you remember, we used to send letters. So it would take time, but now electronic mail, just write a letter and instantly you can get the response. And this is exactly similar to the letter, but the only thing is now it is electronic. So the best way is to get approval is to email. Trisha is always tense during exam time. She is sincere and studious student, but the exams creates anxiety in her. Which stress management technique that you would suggest to help her? Whenever exam time is coming, Trisha gets anxiety. She gets very tense. She is under stress. So what are the techniques of stress management you are going to suggest to her? So the answer here is all of these. Why? Because these all are stress management techniques. It can be yoga, exercise, vacation with family. Yoga is all about, workout in calmness, exercise, relieve stress, vacation with family. You can go to some place, some secluded place, and you can enjoy that time. All of these is the answer. Dash ability of person to do the things that need to be done without someone or something influencing us. That is, nobody is going to tell us do this, do that, or try to do this, be successful, get energy. Why to get into this? Why not to be self-motivated? So the best is self-motivation, because as an individual you have to earn, you have to be successful, you need to be a winner. So set a goal and decide the path you are going to follow to get this goal, to achieve this goal. Very, very diligently, manage time and just work hard. This is self-motivation. According to the concept of sustainable development, the environment and development are the sustainable development, that is, eat that much so that it remains for the next generation. Environment is all around us. We are because of environment, but development is also necessary. So this environment and development are inseparable. You cannot separate them, because if you see this picture, whenever you develop, there will be some loss to the environment. And if you are only keeping the environment, you will always be in that ancient age. Previously, we were only eating flesh, raw flesh sometimes. Then we started agriculture. And then now what we are. So we cannot go back. So we need development, but not at the cost of ecology, environment, degradation, soil erosion, etc. The cleaning of software installed in the computer cannot be achieved by. So software is what runs the or runs inside the hardware. An operating system actually is the interface. So you cannot just clean CPU cabinet and clean the software. CPU cabinet is just you can say a box inside which we have hard disk, RAM and SMPS, etc. So cleaning is necessary. You need to take out the RAM, clean it, and the heat and the dust are the adversaries for any type of computing device. Cleaning CPU is important, but the question is asking about cleaning of software. You cannot clean software by cleaning CPU cabinet. You can do disk cleanup. There are certain files which are always there. You just clean up at a regular interval or basis. You can always back up because you need to restore if something happens. You can install antivirus software because there are malwares, some virus softwares, some Trojan horses, some worms. You need to get rid of them all as well. But cleaning of software cannot be done using cleaning CPU cabinet. Okay? This is the picture you see how he is cleaning. Entrepreneurship has a crucial role in the dash of the society. Being an entrepreneur and taking a profession of entrepreneurship and building an entrepreneurship has a crucial role in the functioning of the society, because the entrepreneur comes from the society. The people who work for entrepreneur comes from the society. Entrepreneur gives back to the society in a good way or a bad way. So functioning is the answer here. Okay, remember, being an entrepreneur, you will start a business, you will hire people, you will get profit, earn profit, you will give it back to the society because you share the profit. And if you are developing something, you are developing the society. So every time functioning is involved with respect to society. Answer any 5 out of the given 6 questions. So these are also 1 marks question. Dash is not an instant messaging service. Instant messaging means one sent a message and another reply without delay. That is, you send and you talk. This is like talking in front, 101. So Skype, audio video, instant messaging service. Yahoo Messenger, it was a messenger when it was very popular at that time. It was being used everywhere. Now we use WhatsApp. Now we use Snapchat. Now we use Facebook Messenger. WhatsApp is already there. India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, they are all using WhatsApp. Western countries, they have also started using this WhatsApp. But Firefox is a web browser. It is not an instant messaging service. Web browser is all about getting the HTTP links, pages, showing you the websites, the web applications. Okay, so you are accessing the web pages and web links and on the worldwide web pages on the internet. Firefox is just a web browser. Dash is the process of emptying a place in case of an emergency or a disaster. If some emergency situation is there where people can be harmed, they may die, there is a disaster. So this school you see is evacuating the children. Now evacuation means you have to do it very fast in a proper way. Okay, just be out of that building or that place where it is hazardous, where it is by accident anything can happen. You need to exit. So all this can be combined in a single word, that is an evacuation, sudden exit. So evacuation is the answer here. So emergency, disaster, evacuation. Richard needs to set up a network for his office where he wants to save all the data in a centralized system, and other computers will take the services from the centralized system. Which architecture will be the best suitable for him? Let me give you the answer here. It is client server. So client server is all about a central server, strong one, and with good resources. So he is Richard. He wants to set up So this is the server he wants, and because he wants to save the data and take the services also. And these are the clients. We always call them as a thin client, and they are taking the service from the server. So this is how the best way to solve his problem is client server combination or network. A dash is a device that converts digital computer signals into a form analog signals that can travel over phone lines and vice versa. Let me give you the answer first. It's modem. What is modem? Modem, the full form is modulator, demodulator. This is MOD for modulator. This DEM is for demodulator. So this kind of signals we generally know are analog signals, and this kind of signals in 0, 1, sometimes we call them a bit of, it's not exactly digital, pulsating it is. So this is A sin omega t kind of is analog, 0 and 1 is digital. So in order to convert these two, vice versa, we need a modem. So telephone lines, they are analog, and our computer is digital. They only understand digital data. Okay. So to convert the incoming traffic into the computer readable form, we need this modem, and the back traffic, we always need again a modulator. So it is working as a modulator also, digital demodulator also, digital to analog to digital. Both the things it does. Okay. Modem. You will always find modem in your house when you are using internet. Dash is specifically designed to maximize or minimize the result according to the set of rules that you define in a spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is all about arranging the data, rows and column. But since we are so advanced, especially we have Excel, and there are so many database services and formations. So here we are talking about solver. So solver is specifically designed to minimize and maximize the result according to the set of rules which you already define in a spreadsheet. So there is a possibility of setting the rules, and on the basis of that, you can very well design to minimize or maximize the result which is going to come. Okay. So this is solver. The answer is solver. Dash refers to the vertical and horizontal placement of a graphic in relation to the chosen anchor point. Whenever you are working on a word processor, what do? You put an image. Now when you put an image, where the word or sentences or the paragraph is going to go? They will be above or below the image. They will be left or right. So whenever you write, if sometimes you insert an image, the content may come on the side, or it may come behind it, or it may come below it. This is called alignment. So alignment refers to the vertical and horizontal placement of a graphic in relation to the chosen anchor point. So the image and the sentences or the content, the characters and the paragraph, how this will be seen is all about alignment. Okay, answer any 5 out of the given 6 questions. This we are going to see in the next discussion. Then thank you so much. Take care of yourself.